Hello YouTube, welcome to another video tutorial. In this one, I'll be teaching you guys how you can actually mail a check to your client address using crypto like USDT or BTC. Okay, so stay tuned, and if you are new to the channel, kindly hit that subscribe button. Alright, so first thing, you go to checkkeeper.com, and then when you're on this site, click on create account. Alright, so put in your information, your personal information, put in your email, set your password, and click on next step. Alright, put in your business name, put in your full address, and click on start free trial. Alright, at this point, you have to verify your email. Go to your email address, go to your mailbox, and then click on that link to confirm your email address, okay? And then once you've confirmed the email address, you log into your account. Alright, once in the account, you choose check keeper will mail my checks and click on next step, okay? Alright, at this point, put in your business name, your full business address, and then add your business logo and click on next step. Alright, at this point, put in your authorized signature. You can sign here with your cursor pad, or you can upload an image directly. Alright, all set for mailing check. Click on create first check, and then you need to put in the necessary information, pay to the order of the amount, the date, the check number, the address of the payee, the country I'm mailing to, and also a memo. Cross-check the information and then click next, and then you take it to this page, and then just click on new, and then it will print that particular check, and then the check should be set for mailing. You should review the information one more time, and then you can see the check will now say printed. So now it's time to mail the check. In order for you to mail the check, you need to purchase credit from the website, and like I said earlier, you can purchase credit using your ATM card, or you can also use crypto, USDT or BTC. Alright, so take note guys, you can actually use your personal ATM card. It's much easier, and the credits are not really expensive, so you can actually just pay from your bank account direct. It's much faster that way, or you can actually use a client's credit card or debit card. Alright, here you add the routing number and account number of the bank log you want to use, and ensure you know the available balance. So once you've added the bank account, you're all set. So guys, this BitNop app is the app you can use to purchase virtual cards using USDT or crypto. So you can purchase virtual cards using USD or crypto, and you can use to make payments, to buy credit, to mail your checks, okay? Alright guys, so once you're all set, you just click on mail checks now. Your checks will automatically be sent via USPS first class mailing, and then you should be able to track your checks. You can see it says mailing. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, kindly leave a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and turn on your post notification so you don't miss my next video guys. You know I drop really practical videos. Thanks for watching the video guys, and be sure to join the channel membership so you get access to private tutorials like this. I have a whole lot of tutorials that are private, and if you want to get access to these tutorials, you need to join the channel membership. Tutorials like this are gold. Bye for now.